This one is weird. Look what just dropped. Can you explain this one, Will? I need a break on this one. This is your wild card, all right?
Oh man,
This is your wild card.
last story?
No, it's not the last story. This is yours, all right? Break it down for the people. Tell the people what's going on here.
Okay, I'm just reading this title here. Kim Kardashian builds Lil Hidden Hills in the backyard of her sprawling Calabasas mansion for her children, complete with a KKW beauty store, a Starbucks, a Lego castle, and an ATM. So it's pretty much like a little shopping mall for kids. Is this equivalent to like a treehouse back in the day?
This is their treehouse.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scroll down. Look at this thing. This is crazy to me.
Oh, it's a little town. Like a strip mall.
Can I just say something? By the way, thank you, Will, for that explanation.
Yeah, no problem.
Reading the headline. It was almost a wild card moment.
Yeah.
I was trying to coerce you there. I have kids.
Mm-hmm.
They grow bored of anything.
Mm-hmm.
They grow bored of anything. Can you imagine they're going to go out there for 5 minutes and that's the end of it.
Look at these people here. They're just like struggling, trying to get this thing working.
Though they're the landscapers. There's actually like 50 of them there, as you see as the photos. Okay, so first of all, what are these drone shots or a helicopter? Like, what's that about? Imagine you just got these drones over top your house all the time. Oh, God.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's a nightmare on its own. Anyway, so this is what got constructed on the side of the house. The Lego castle's pretty cool. But like as far as the beauty store and the other things, it's cool. It would absolutely be fun. But I just don't know for how long.
Especially when they're empty inside. There's no people there.
No, it's just a playhouse. I guess,
yeah.
I don't know. You have some friends over and you pretend. Well, that's what kids do.
Sure.
But at least with the Lego slide over there, they can go up. And by the way, for those that are just listening to this isn't enormous. It's like a little town with a road down the middle.
Kind of like a small amusement park.
Kind of. Yeah, it kind of has some Michael Jackson vibes to it.
Sure.
Neverland vibes.
Yeah.
Although the Neverland was another level beyond this.
Yeah.
But I just, like I said, man, I got kids and the novelty wears off fast. It's a lot of effort. Maybe they don't care. They're like, yeah, we'll just smash it eventually. Just smash it. It doesn't matter. But it just looks like a fairly elaborate construction. Maybe it's not. Maybe it was easy to put it together. But trying to figure out things for the kids to do outdoors, kids are kind of oftentimes, especially in 2021, spend a lot of time indoors.
Mm-hmm.
Not as many activities yet. So maybe this is a thing where it's like, just spice it up a little bit, I guess.
Well, why can't they be normal and just build like a little...
a regular treehouse?
Treehouse.
Or like a regular playset?
Yeah.
No. Can't be doing that. You're not going to... You can't get in dailymail.com. You put a regular playset.
Yeah.
They gotta have their relatives and friends over and be like, come check out my my town.
Yeah.
my mini town.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's kind of cool. I don't know.
Okay.
We're in the weird zone of the show right now where it could go either way.
Yeah.
I could go one way. I could go the other way. That's the point of this section of the show. I could easily see why this is cool and as a kid, but then at the same time, I can see why it's completely over the top and ridiculous. And the kids are going to be like, it's going to wear out fast. But it's already a very unique experience being the daughter of or son. I don't know if they have any son. I don't know. The child of Kim Kardashian. It's already strange. So you can't really be surprised when it continues down that path.